The Thunder beat the Trailblazers by 16 a week and a half ago in Oklahoma City, but Grant, since then they've continued to innovate under their interim head coach Caleb Canales. They beat Golden State last time out to 20 assists, only 7 turnovers. In the win before that against Memphis, there were 25 of 25 at the free throw line. What do you make of Portland?
Well, along with the coaching changes, they've also had some personnel changes, and they're still trying to figure out where they're going to get their offensive production. The mainstays have really stepped up. A guy like Wesley Matthews, he's been hot from the three-point line. 4 3-point makes in the last 3 games. He's been really hot. They're going to look to him to get the outside shooting going. The mainstay also, LaMarcus Aldridge, he's been consistent from the inside. He's very well shooting from the outside as well. So 2 players that have really been the pillars for this ball club.
But if Matthews stays hot, then if the Thunder makes Aldridge uncomfortable, as they did in Oklahoma City, now you got an inside-outside dimension. Now, as far as the Thunder is concerned, for their last 5 games, they've shot better than 50%, averaging 23 turnovers or 23 assists, only 15 turnovers in those games. So all of a sudden now a different wrinkle in the Thunder offense.
I think anytime you can protect the basketball, obviously you get more opportunities to score the basketball in the half-court situation. They've been getting out of the fast break. So, again, when you complete the defensive sequence and you rebound the ball, you put yourself in a position to get out in the open court. Durant, Westbrook, Harden, these guys are able to use their athletic ability to beat opponents down the floor, and that's been a big help for this ball club.
Regular season finale between these Northwest Division rivals tonight on Fox Sports Oklahoma with Thunder Live starting at 8:30. We'll see you for the ball game at 9 o'clock.